You have a $1 billion multifamily, over 31 projects?
31 projects, a little shy of 5,000 units.
And 10 states.
Yes, and that's the part that's the hardest, right? Because my good friend Michael Anderson, he says, focus on a certain number of markets, focus on what you do. Problem is data science drives me away from that, because data science says, well, this year the best market in the US is in Utah. Next year the best market in the US is in Tennessee. And so it forces me to break one of the fundamental rules of real estate, which is get really good at a market and understand it and dive deep into it. And so it's been a hard rule to break, and I've had consequences of doing that, side effects of doing that, but it's worked out for me. So we jump every couple of years from one state or city to the next. Before we continue, let me take 60 seconds to tell you about Multifamily University. Are you ready to take your real estate investing to the next level? Look no further than Multifamily University. Our comprehensive resources, including guest podcast appearances, educational webinars, the Real Estate Trends Toolkit, and the Location Magic course, are all designed to make smart investing easy and accessible. Plus, with no subscriptions, no upsells, you can trust that we're always looking out for your best interests. But don't take our word for it. Check out what our satisfied customer, Carlos M., had to say. Neal's presentation was filled with invaluable information that is not readily available to the average investor. This group takes you to the elite level of investing. Join the ranks of the elite with Multifamily University. Join us at multifamilyu.com and start investing from a place of knowledge today. Not only will you have access to a wealth of knowledge from industry experts, but you'll also be able to stay ahead of the game with our in-depth analysis of market trends and potential recessions or corrections. Invest with confidence and make informed decisions based on data, not gut feel. Don't miss out. Visit us at multifamilyu.com today or click the link in the description below. And now, back to the content. And very often we'll only build 2 projects in a city, because by the time we're into the second project, the secret is out. That, at that point it's known that this city is unusual. It has spectacular demographics and spectacular momentum. That advantage that I have is now lost. I'm just another guy in the city building stuff or buying stuff. So then I have to move on. My audience says, well, show us your metrics about why this city is so special, what's so unusual. And after 2 years, I don't have that specialization, so I have to move on. So yes, 10 states, and it's a challenge to be doing this in 10 different states.